Hello everyone, Dr. Wang again. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to use MyLab resource of this course. Okay, so basically you will need to, or after you log into MyLab course, this will be the home page or the very first page you're gonna see. Okay, so you got the instructor, or you probably don't have that, but you have a grade book, assignments, and so on. But basically, you will need to use three major functions. So one is study plan. See here, go ahead, click on that. You will see then you got the study plan for all the sections that I'm going to use for this course. Okay, so for example, the very first one study plan is chapter 2 skills check quiz study plan. Okay, so there are three objectives that you will need to master. Okay, so you can use practice it and then you take a quiz. Okay, if you don't want to practice, that is fine. You can go ahead and directly take quiz me. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to do that. So if I click on practice, not quite sure if you can see that, so I moved the window over here. I got a number of questions, actually 11 questions, and then you can practice. Okay, for example, the very first question, write exponential notation for that, and this will be 7 raised to the 4th power. So 7 raised to the 4th power. Many of you are familiar with how to enter mathematical expression. So check answer, correct, nice work. Okay, so let's see, we're gonna do, so here you see a bunch of learning aids you can use. Help me solve this, that will show you step by step how to solve this, and you can look at another example and you can get more help. You can watch a video, you can ask my instructor. Basically means that you're going to send me an email. Okay, I will say that use that as your last step. Okay, so help me solve this for your example, for your video. That will be the things that you want to do first. Okay, let me close this. Okay, when you are ready, you can take a quiz me. For example, you click on that, the quiz me. Let me move it over here. Then you can start test, and each quiz me has 5 questions. So start test. So you can start working on that. 12 raised to the 2nd bar. What's the value of that? If you know that 144. And then you can take and do the next question, and so on. Okay, and you can complete it. I'm going to close it, leave. Okay, so that's quiz me. Okay, so every before you do every homework assignment, always complete quiz me. Okay, now so you always go to study plan first. Okay, and then you go to assignment, and now you see all the assignments are listed here. The due dates are listed here. Right now, I set the due date as December 4th. I might change this later, okay? So this is just for the demonstration purpose. So basically for each chapter, you see I got a study plan for the chapter skill check quiz, and then you need to complete the skill check quiz, and then you have a homework assignment for each section, 2.1, 2.2, 2.3, and then you will need to double check if you already have completed all the study plan for chapter 2 test, which is this. Okay, if you already have completed all the study plan for chapter 2 test, then you are ready to complete chapter 2 test. Okay, and then you start a new chapter. So that goes this way. Now you see a little green flag there. I basically specify what the prior assignments you have to complete. Okay, so if you have not yet completed study plan for chapter 2 skill check quiz, then you cannot start the skill check quiz. if you having finished chapter 2 skills check quiz, then you cannot start 2.1 homework. So it goes this way. So the green flags basically specify what prior homework assignments you have to complete. Okay, so I got all the homework assignments set up for the entire semester. The um, the study the points from study plan, homework set, and the chapter test accounts for 80% of your entire course grade. The other 20% comes from Blackboard, midterm test, and final exam in the Blackboard, 10% each. Okay, so it's very, very important to complete the assignments in MyLab. They are not proctored, but you have to do a number of homework assignments. Okay, basically if you complete all the homework assignments here, you already got 80 points. Okay, so that's it. I believe this will help you, and good luck.